welcome to another Central PA Quad Racers practice round. So we got the track all set up, and now we're going to do a practice round, and then, yeah, should be a pretty good layout today. We're at the Central PA Quad Race, and we are all jam-packed into this little shed, but we have that giant track out there, and we're able to fly from in here and get some amazing footage. And we've got a TV set up in here. We got a steamroller just in case we need it. We got all kinds of gear. There's so much gear in this shed, I can't even calculate how much this shed's worth right now. 7 pilots showed up today, and it's been pretty amazing. Tim's very busy.
I only got 4.
What up? What up? Alright, we're here freezing, and it's the first round. We're about to crush this track. My other GoPro died, so yeah, we didn't get to record the last round. So I'm feeling pretty good. That was amazing.
Where is he? Hey, you were so close. We gave it to you. It was like literally.
I was wondering. I'm like, I don't know.
All right, get out.
We have it. Another day at Central PA Quad Racers, and it was awesome. And I didn't break anything.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah. Yeah. So come to the next race. It'll be February-ish. We haven't figured it out yet. So I'll see you next time.